If you live in an area where frost is coming soon, but your tomato plants are still growing, you can take cuttings from them to grow them indoors until spring. This way, your tomato plants will already be established in the spring and as a result will produce earlier than from seeds. Simply take a cutting about 6 inches long, put it in a jar of water, and once it grows roots, plant it in a pot and leave indoors in a well-lit area. If you see these white bumps on your tomato plant stems, rest assured they are not worms or some disease. They are simply root nodules, which will develop into roots if buried underground. If you wish to make new plants, you can take a cutting of the plant, cutting below the nodules, and stick the cutting in soil. These are proof how easy it is to propagate tomato plants through cuttings. These are 7 days old, and they have all these roots and are ready to be planted in a pot and put indoors for the winter. But don't get discouraged if some of your cuttings don't make it. Gardening is never 100% foolproof. To force seedlings and vegetable plants grown indoors or in a greenhouse to grow stronger with thicker stems, create a light breeze around them, either with a fan or simply wave a container lid or a piece of cardboard at the plant several times a day. If you have blooming tomato plants overwintering indoors or in a greenhouse, and if there are no insects buzzing around your house, you need to hand pollinate the flowers. There are 2 easy ways to do it. Gently tap the flowers with a pencil so the pollen falls from male parts to female parts of the flower, or use a soft brush to gently move the pollen around the flower.